Transpower Your Life with me, Malcolm Stephens. In the previous 2 episodes of Transpower Your Life, I had spoken to you about the power of our mind to attract what we want and the magic of our beliefs. What we believe in is what we become. In this episode, I'm going to just emphasize on the concept of conscious and subconscious mind. Mind is one, but it has 2 distinct characteristics. One which is very conscious and the other part of the mind which is subconscious. The conscious mind is the master. Whatever it asks, the subconscious mind delivers. But we also need to remember this is the subconscious mind who controls our entire body and helps the body to function. The conscious mind depends on external factors, that is our 5 senses, and it senses and starts sending signals to the subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind feeds the conscious mind. To make things very simple, let me illustrate and give you an example. There was this railway wagon which used to carry perishable items, and because it used to carry perishable items, it used to be kept at below freezing point. The entire wagon was actually refrigerated. There was this technician called Joe who used to maintain this particular wagon. Every time the wagon would come back to the yard, Joe would get into the wagon, the refrigerated wagon, and he would service it. And every evening at 6 o'clock, somebody would come and shut the wagon doors and turn on the refrigeration system so that it could be refrigerated right through the night and all the possible tests could be carried out. One day when Joe was working, he was lying on the floor and repairing something. At 6 o'clock, somebody came, peeped into the wagon and saw there was nobody there, and they shut the doors of the wagon and locked it up. Joe heard the wagon being locked and he started banging on the doors, but nobody could hear him outside, so he had to spend the night in the wagon. Now Joe knew that the refrigeration system would be turned on at 6 o'clock after they locked the wagon, and whole night he would be spending time in this wagon at sub-zero temperature. So he knew that he wouldn't survive the night. So he sat down on the floor and he started scribbling. He got a tool and he started scribbling on the floor of the wagon all the things he wanted to communicate to his family, how much he cared for them, how much he loved them, and what was his assets, where was the various insurance papers kept. He started scribbling everything onto the floor of the wagon. In the morning when the wagon was opened again, they found Joe to be dead and lying on the floor. He was taken to the hospital, and when the postmortem was done on Joe, the doctors declared that he died because of freezing. All his colleagues were shocked and amazed. Amazed because the previous evening they had not turned on the refrigeration system. So the wagon was not cold at all. So what happened to Joe? How did he die? Somewhere in Joe's mind, the conscious mind, he was sure that as per what happens every day, the temperature is going to be freezing, and it was below 0 degrees Celsius, and it's going to be absolutely frozen state and he wouldn't be able to survive. This conscious mind of Joe kept reminding the subconscious mind that I'm going to die, I'm going to die, I'm going to die because it's freezing and freezing. The subconscious mind programmed itself in such a manner that body actually froze. Now that's the power of a subconscious mind. Whatever we feed the subconscious mind, whatever we ask of the subconscious mind delivers. It has the power to give us what we want. So we need to be very, very careful what we ask of the subconscious mind. If you want to have great health, you start telling the subconscious mind that I am healthy, and the subconscious mind functions your body like a healthy body. If you say that I want to be a successful athlete, you program yourself, you tell your subconscious mind that yes, I am a successful athlete, and the subconscious mind will start working for you that way. So let us start this journey of transformation, and let's become powerful and become what we want to be by ensuring that we use the power of our subconscious mind. Transpower your life with me, Malcolm Stephens.